If you feel as though you have ruined it with your SP, you lashed out, you acted irrationally or rationally, you reacted to the 3D, you think that you ruined it all, spoiler alert, you haven't. Just watch this video. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today I am in my birthplace, Mother Russia, Vladivostok, and I am having a fabulous time seeing all of my family, enjoying the sun, getting back to my roots. And if you would like to see more of Russia, just stick around, subscribe, and stay in tune because there will be a lot more of Russia videos where that came from. And if you want to keep up with my daily travels, I post more intimate videos and posts, not OnlyFans, just my daily life, like what I do on a daily basis. You can follow my IG, that will be in the description box down below, and also a QR code that you can just take a photo of. You'll be right there. Before we continue, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. Are you currently manifesting your SP? Imagine waking up every day and knowing that your love story is unfolding exactly the way that you want. This 14-week course is the gateway for that reality. Whether you're rekindling a connection or manifesting a new partner, my proven methods and mindset shift will guide you step by step to the relationship that you desire. This course is jam-packed full of carefully hand-picked, no stones left unturned information that you need to learn to manifest your SP instantly in chronological order. By the way, these are the exact same steps that I use to manifest my SP. I'm not including anything that will waste your time. This is to the point, like a Russian. We are not here to fuck around. We are not here to fuck spiders, as the Australians say. Information, videos, homework, and weekly affirmations are included. So grab your manifestation or your SP by the balls and knock this thing out of the ballpark. Here is a summary of the first 5 modules laid out here for your convenience. So if you are ready for a change in your reality, enroll in my Manifest Your SP course by clicking the very first link in the description box down below, or go to RitaKaminski.com and follow the prompts. Okay, so what do we do when we have completely reacted to the 3D? We may have blown up at our SP because we saw them following Summer Rae on Instagram or whatever IG baddies are out there these days. I don't know. You might have caught him looking at some girl and you don't like that. He might not have wished you happy birthday, which is disrespect on all forms and counts. So yeah, really valid. It totally does not matter if you reacted in your mind or in the 3D. I am here to help you out right now. First of all, do not beat yourself up. It is totally okay to react. We are, of course, minimizing this to the highest extent, but sometimes it happens, and when it does, let's not beat ourselves up over it. We are humans. I know we like to robotically affirm, but we are not robots, okay? So yeah, each time we react, we are learning, we are growing from whatever it is that we've reacted to. And we are here today to know that the most important thing is the present moment, right now. Doesn't matter if you reacted or not. Doesn't matter if you forgot to affirm for 10 days or not. Doesn't matter if you feel like you stuffed up in the biggest way imaginable. Doesn't matter if they stuffed up, your SP stuffed up in the biggest way imaginable. It does not matter. It does not exist. It is purely a figment of your past thoughts. Your negative thoughts were on a loop, and so your subconscious mind had to lay it out for you in the 3D. We do not have to reprogram our limiting beliefs or get a high concept. Let me tell you exactly what to do, and it is very simple. Each time this happens, we first tell ourselves it's okay, we're human, let's not feel bad about this, let's move on, stay in the present moment. Next, we're reminding ourselves that whatever happened that caused us to react, and even the reaction itself, is just a figment of our imagination, and it is simply not real. It's simply manifested because we had negative loop forms in our minds non-stop. Number 3, we begin to affirm like crazy, like a robot, like a parrot. Whatever SP affirmation that you have, I suggest 1 affirmation to keep it simple. You can do 3, but as long as they hype you up, you don't change the affirmations, and you keep repeating them and you keep persisting, you will get out of this. Not only will you get out of this, you will manifest exactly what it is that you want and then some. So let's say your affirmation is, I'm in a committed relationship with SP. No matter what happened. I don't care if yesterday you found out that he has a baby mama. I don't care if he blocked you. I don't care if you had the biggest fight. Let's not focus on that. Let's not revise. Let's not go back into the past and put more focus on it. We are simply focusing on what it is that we want. So we are simply repeating, I'm in a committed relationship with SP. I'm in a committed relationship with SP. I'm in a committed relationship with SP. That is repeating on a loop in your mind or out loud as much as possible throughout the day from that point. Not only is it going to keep your mind off of this situation that happened, that you reacted to, it is going to get you the reality that you want through repetition. If you have not seen my Why Robotic Affirming is So Powerful video, the video will be included in a card up above. Do not listen to your wavering thoughts. Let them pass by. Do not force them out. Don't shut them out. We are letting them just go past us like clouds, and we are consistently, robotically, professionally, without any force, calmly or not, it doesn't matter. Listen, as long as you are repeating this as much as possible, you are okay. You are more than okay, and you are going to get the actual circumstance that you want, and it will be as though that other circumstance and your reaction never happened. Trust me when I say this. There have been countless counts when this has happened in my own personal life, and when I robotically affirmed, boom, like it never happened. Please also remember that if you react, I'm telling you, it's okay for right now. It's okay for when it happens. But in the future, when you are here in the moment and you have a choice whether you want to react or not, just pick the non-reaction every single time. It is so important, guys, and I know that you get this. What you water grows. Where the attention goes, energy flows. Do not give power to this circumstance. Ignore it. It's going to literally physically disappear. This is magic, but not really, because it's just your subconscious mind, and it is your attention, your repetitive attention to what you want and your ignoring of what you don't want. Every single time you feel like you're about to react or you have reacted and you feel bad, make sure to watch this video. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.